As you handle a Japanese knife, you are probably taking extra care on it since it has a unique single-edged blade or is typically made of a carbon steel which is easy to rust. How to sharpen the knife for the daily maintenance was therefore demonstrated before, but when it comes to using the traditional knife with wooden handle, well-thumbed knife gradually built up some dirt from food particles and grease on this particular part. My Yanagiba knife has been used for over 8 years. Compared to the new one with the same 9-inch blade, both of the length and the shape has been worn off over the time to make such an obvious difference. But as long as being well maintained and sharpened carefully, it still stays in good shape. The wooden handle, however, has been stained from cutting fish at hand every day. This tutorial demonstrates how to clean up the knife handle as the occasional maintenance, like between a yearly interval. As for the daily cleaning, washing with a soft sponge will be good and enough. Make sure to wash off the dirt on the edge and corner. Because it is made of wood, using a brush scrubber will deteriorate the material. So even for the deep cleaning, you cannot do more than this. So, please prepare a glass container, preferably a tall one like a beer glass. Then pour some bleach water enough to submerge the knife handle. Ideally use lukewarm water for the most of the bleaching effect. Add some neutral detergent to assist breaking down the grease stains, since bleach doesn't do this job. Dip your knife into it handle side down and leave for about half an hour. Pick out the knife, wash the bleach water out, and dry it with paper towel. If the stain is stubborn and doesn't come off, try bleaching it longer. But the material may have the risk of cracking off for leaving too long or in a strong solution. Please see every 10 or 20 minutes how it reacts. This cleaning method is recommended for the regular wood handle. For the knife with a quality material like ebony or with special protection such as waterproof coating, this cannot be applied. If you would like to clean them, use the diluted solution to wash the material lightly, then wash out with soaped water. As a knife doesn't change shape or get deteriorated all of a sudden, you probably won't notice how the condition is turning to be in a daily basis. The key to keep your knife in a good shape, therefore, really depends on how you treat it and take care every day. Start today so your knife will stay with you just like a lifetime partner.